In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a powerful assistant tool, Copilot, to streamline your data handling and reporting processes in Excel or Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to upload your data files, generate insightful reports using natural language, and customize and share these reports to unlock valuable insights with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is open Excel or Power BI and locate the Copilot tool. Copilot integrates seamlessly within these applications, ready to assist you in bringing your data to life. Once you have Copilot opened, you'll need to prepare your data files. Make sure your files are correctly formatted and contain the accurate data you want to analyze. You can upload files directly into Copilot by simply dragging and dropping them into the designated area or manually selecting them from your file directory. This ensures your data is readily available for further processing. After you've uploaded your data files, it's time to harness the power of natural language to request report generation. This feature is incredibly intuitive. You can communicate with Copilot using everyday language, which makes the process highly accessible, even if you're not a data expert. Simply describe the type of report you want. For example, you might say, "Show me a sales performance report for last quarter," or "Create a revenue trend analysis for the past year." Copilot interprets your request and processes your data to generate the specified report. This step eliminates the need to manually sift through data and create complex formulas, saving you both time and effort. Once the report is generated, you will see the results displayed within Excel or Power BI. But the job doesn't stop here. Next, you can tailor the report format to suit your specific needs or to better fit your presentation style. Use the available tools to modify aspects such as charts, colors, and data arrangement. This customization step allows you to emphasize particular insights or highlight trends, making your report not only informative, but also visually engaging. Feel free to explore different visual styles or apply templates that enhance the readability of your data. Finally, with your customized report ready, you'll want to share the insights you've uncovered. Excel and Power BI offer various options for exporting or sharing your report. You can save it in a format that suits your needs, such as PDF or Excel file, and then distribute it via email to your team or stakeholders. Alternatively, you can share it directly through cloud-based services if your organization uses platforms like SharePoint or OneDrive. This step